goodness, what a beautiful mirror. And what another beautiful mirror. And another one. And another one. And 2 more beautiful golden fancy mirrors. Beautiful. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're doing a DIY. So you guys know my house literally looks like the house of mirrors. Literally, I have mirrors all over the place. The ones I showed you are just a few of them. But, you know, like I always say, the more the merrier. Not gonna lie though, these mirrors cost me a small fortune and I wanted yet another one to take more selfies. So instead of buying a new one, I decided I was gonna make my own. Because I'm bored in quarantine, so I figured why not get a little crafty. Plus, you know, broke bitch tips always for the win. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can make one myself by giving like a little Target mirror a makeover. So without further ado, here we go. Grab your craft and your creativity, kids. DIY French Fancy Palace Mirror. I don't really know what I'm gonna title this video yet, but wow, I can't believe I forgot to show this one in the intro. I also have this one. I have so many mirrors. It is literally actually a problem. I don't know. I mean, I have about as many mirrors as I have pairs of shoes, and that is really ridiculous. It's so glam. Ow. I just ran into my door, which is also glam. Look at that. I actually put these in because I'm crazy. I ripped the old ones out and put new ones in. But anyways, you can see this is kind of the inspo for the kind of mirror that I'm talking about. Really gold, really fancy. It's got some like cool little, you know, designs on it. This is very French Rococo, Hollywood Regency inspired. And most of all, just very princess glamorous look. So yeah. Alrighty, so what do we need for this project? Well, first things first, obviously, a mirror. So first things first, what do you need for this project? Obviously, a mirror. So I picked up this mirror from Target. This is just like a plain brown wooden mirror. You can see it's like kind of messed up actually, but that's actually gonna be fun because it's gonna make it look more antique-y. So yeah, it's just like a nice little full-length mirror for me, you know, to tote around and take more Instagram photos. By the way, yes, this is my outfit of the day. Literally an old white sweatshirt because we're going to be painting and I needed something I can literally ruin. So, what else do you need for this project besides a groovy pantless outfit and a mirror? Well, you're gonna need something called onlays. These are basically rubbery, plasticky things that you can put basically anywhere. You guys know, I put them on this wall to create this. Pretty cool. And they are also what is literally on my mirrors here. You can see, ta-da. Ta-da! But this one's just painted. Oh, actually it's like this. You can see that one's just painted gold and glued onto the mirror. So anyways, yeah, you can get these on Amazon. These are from a company called Pearlworks. You can get these on Amazon, craft stores. I'll link a couple in the description if you want, but yeah. So you need some of those. We're also going to need some gold spray paint or whatever color you want to use. Obviously, I want to use gold because that's the color that I want to turn the mirror. Some other funky gold paints to make it extra shiny. You're also going to want to grab some nice painter's tape. Some craft paper to lay out so when you're spray painting, you don't get everything all messed up. Of course, again, I'm not sure what we're going to use yet, but we got a hot glue gun and some E6000 glue depending on what is going to end up working better. By the way, E6000 glue literally responded to my tweet the other day and I was dying. It's official. We're really friends. Amazing. And that's all you need for this project. So, yeah, let's just get started. Are you ready, Boogeyman? Me too. All right, so we're gonna find a nice clear outdoor area to do our project, like a patio. So first things first, we're gonna lay out the paper. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our painter's tape and we're gonna go ahead and line the interior of the mirror so when we spray it, we don't, you know, like ruin it completely. So I went ahead and did a couple layers on that just so we, you know, are safe to go when we spray paint. I also went ahead and took some shopping bags because I didn't feel like taping the whole thing, and those will be like extra protection. They just so happen to fit in there perfectly. Would you look at that? Being a shopaholic and having extra shopping bags is coming in handy. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the spray paint. We're just gonna shake that up a little bit and we're going to just literally spray it right onto the mirror. You can't really see because in this lighting it looks like it's being sprayed the same color, but it honestly is turning gold, I promise. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray that on. Make sure, like I said, you do it in an open area because you don't want to breathe in the smell of it. It smells bad. So next, we're gonna go inside and work on our onlays. So we're gonna go ahead and look at them, pick whichever ones we think are gonna be best. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these because I like these the best. I just really like birds. I put them on everything. Then we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna literally spray them with the spray paint. So ba-ding, ba-doom, spray them away. Look at that, getting golden. It's like a spray tan. Hilarious. Okay, so anyways, once we got those nice and gold, we're gonna go ahead and let those dry for a bit. So we got that out there. We're just gonna leave that for a second, go inside, dance around a little bit, wait for those to dry. So once those are nice and dry, we're gonna go ahead and take our fancy metallic gold paints, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started on that. So usually I would say use a brush or a sponge, but plot twist, I don't have any. So we're gonna use a paper towel crumpled up because we are being economic and recycling and using what's already in our house. So anyways, yeah, go ahead and crumple that up. We're just gonna go ahead and put that in the gold paint there. Just rub that right onto the mirror base. So we're gonna go ahead and do that to the onlays too, just so they got a nice little shiny twinge of shininess on them. So once that's all done up and we let that dry again, dance around a little more, you can bring that in. I mean, let it dry for 24 hours. I let it dry for 2 hours because I'm impatient, but you know, there you go. So then we're gonna go ahead and pull off the painter's tape so you can see it's all nice and clean. Look at that, Georgie approved. By the way, if you get any paint anywhere else, nail polish remover is a quick fix, so you can literally just wipe that off. So now we're gonna decide where exactly we wanna put the onlays. So get creative, you can see, just kind of put them wherever you want. I'm gonna put a couple on the base there, you know, to make it look like that. And I'm gonna put a couple on the top. I don't know what we're gonna do. You can really put them anywhere you want, on the mirror, off the mirror. I'm gonna, you know, put them up top here, I guess, with the birds. Cute, looks fun. So to attach those, we're gonna use our trusty E6000 glue because this is thebomb.com. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that on the back of those there and literally just plop it right on the mirror. Blump, ba-dum, ba-dum. Press that on. Fabulous. Let that dry, wait a day, and it will be night. Oh my God, did you see that cinematography? That was iconic. Alrighty, are you guys ready to see the finished mirror? Honey, wake up. We're gonna go look at the mirror. It's important. Oh, you're too tired. Okay, fine. Show you the before again really quick, just so you can remember what I looked like. Dun, dun, dun. Drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! Literally so cute. The top is all glamorous and nice. We got the birds right there, and it's all painted kind of like a shiny gold, you can see. I really should have worn shoes for this so I could do something fun down here, but the bottom of the mirror looks cool too. You can see we decorated it like that, so it looks hella groovy. It honestly looks just as nice as the mirror next to it, if not a little fancier, dare I say. Whew. Honestly, I feel like the Queen of Prussia. Does Prussia still exist? I honestly have no idea. Maybe I should take some online classes in my free time. But, absolutely fabulous. Nailed it, sis. Nailed it. Also, how cute is this outfit? These shorts are from Forever 21, and this is Dolce & Gabbana vintage. So cute. Just so happened to match perfectly. We love it. We can do exercise in front of the mirror. Dun, 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 dun. Ballet. Tell jokes in front of the mirror? Knock knock, who's there? I don't know, I didn't think of a joke. That's actually kind of funny. Maybe I have a future in comedy. We can talk on the phone in front of the mirror. Hello, Johnny Depp. Oh my God, I love you. Hello, Steve Harrington. Oh my God, I know. Why did you cancel our date? The outside world? I don't remember you, sorry. We can do ballet in front of the mirror. Ow. And most of all, of course, we can just pose crazy. Thank God for Instagram. Otherwise, I would be wearing this with nowhere to show it off, literally. I love the internet. Also, my hair right now, I like pulled out the inches for this. Fun. I'd rather be surfing outside instead of inside. That's how the song goes, right? Well, regardless, it's my video, so that's how the song goes for now. Boom! All right, indoor surfing, isn't it anyway? I gotta find a hobby. Anyway, point is, it was a super easy, fun project. Looks great. Definitely came out extra fabulous. I am very proud of it. Overall, I would say we frickin' nailed it. So there you have it, you guys. guys, that was me building a little golden DIY, whatever I end up calling this video, mirror. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And by the way, please tag me in photos if you guys end up making it. I love seeing my DIYs recreated. It like so cool to see you guys do them. So have fun, happy crafting, happy mirroring, and happy taking selfies. I will see you guys very soon. All the love in the world and then some. XO. Are you trying to sneak in the room again? Oh, that was smart to sit down. You know you're not allowed in here. I love you. Hi. You want a hug? Okay. Hi. Tell everyone you say hi. Oh, you really want a hug today. Look at you, handsome. Oh, hug baby. A little huggable king.